Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to check physical card pin on Opay. First thing you do is open up your Opay app and then you tap on the me icon at the bottom here. Tap on it, and the top here, tap on this gear icon. Once you tap on it, open up this page where you have to tap on payment settings, the second option here. This open up is a page where you go to manage physical card, which is the last option here. So once you turn it on, physical card will appear. Now we want to check a physical card pin on Opay. Next, so we're going to tap on this first one. It will help you to view the last card pin you used. So if you tap on it, then you have to verify your payment pin. Once you enter your payment pin, your physical card pin will be shown. Instantly you can see the physical card pin. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.